Hi. Supplier purchase orders can be printed in multiple formats in simpliRP ERP. Go to print a purchase order in process PO. Select the date range. It will show all the purchase orders in that date range. Click on the purchase order. It will open the supplier purchase order print preview. In this format, you can see split of the GST. Click on the top purchase order title text. It will take you to another format, where consolidated GST is shown against item. Split GST will be shown in the bottom. Again, if you click on the purchase order title text, it will show another format, where HSN is shown in the bottom of the item. Also, the unit of measure is shown below quantity. If you click on the bottom GST split calculation table, it will hide. And, if you click on the references, it will also hide. By this you can save the paper if these details are not absolutely necessary. We will see another example with multiple tax percentages. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.